Fix in 5. Let's decode P0459. EVAP purge control valve circuit high. ECM detects anomalous voltage in. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Engine service light, MIL. Illuminated. Poor cold start with black smoke from exhaust. Reduced engine power output. Unburnt fuel odor from catalytic converters. Unstable performance in first minutes of operation. Now the most likely causes. Defective or blocked secondary air pump, most common. Corroded wiring or connectors in pump control circuit. Failed control relay or loose contacts. Clogged or malfunctioning one-way vent valve. Faulty ECM or defective PWM driver module. What does it cost? Roughly €45.95 doing it yourself, or €165-215 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace secondary air pump with OEM equivalent certified unit. Repair pump control wiring, rebraid damaged sections and connectors. The scanner and partside use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, will P0459 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0459 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro. Fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0459. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.